9 from the fall ACP review. It says a theater has 38 rows of seats. The first row has 25 seats, the second row has 29 seats, the third row 33 seats, and so on. What is the total number of seats in a theater? Now, as we can see, this is a sequence here. So we have, or actually it's a series because we're going to add them together. We first have 25 seats, and then we're going to add the next row, which is 29 seats, and then we'll add the third row, which is 33 seats, and so on. And we do this. This is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3, and we do this up until we reach row 38. So here's what we can do. We can use the calculator to use a sum. So when it says total number of seats, what it basically means is what's the sum? And anytime we want to find a sum, we use sigma notation. Now if you remember, sigma notation, you always start with n equals 1, and we're going to go up however many terms there are. In this case, we have 38 rows. So we're going to have a sum of 38 times. Now remember, we put the explicit formula here. So the explicit formula, if you look on your formula chart, is also called the nth term. And there's two different ones. There's one for arithmetic and one for geometric. As we see, what's happening every time is I'm adding 4. Since I'm adding, this is arithmetic. And so the formula for the arithmetic is this, a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the difference. Now, all we need to put in is the right side over here into the sum formula. So my a sub 1 is 25 plus, you leave the n minus 1, and then we type our difference, which is positive 4, or simply 4. If I put that in the calculator and press enter, it'll tell me what my sum is. So I'll go to add calculator, and the button next to 9 is where sum is located. Find it there. I type in n equals 1. This means we start with the first row, and we're going to add 38 rows. We tell the calculator the first row had 25 seats, and every single time what we do is we add 4 seats to each subsequent row. Press enter. It tells me 3,762 seats. So there's a total of 3,762 seats when we do this sum, and that would be our answer. 3, 7, 6, 2. As long as I didn't miscopy that. Let's check one more time. Yep, 3762.